3, 2, 1, action.
Camera rolling.
Good morning, everyone in the Sky Kingdom. I am Sunny, bringing you today's weather report.
And I am Rain.
Let's take a look at the forecast.
The current temperature is 25 degrees.
It is a perfect day for a picnic.
However, the humidity is a bit high.
The wind is blowing from the northwest.
Gail, you are in the frame too much.
Oops, my apologies.
Now, regarding the afternoon forecast, I will make it even sunnier.
Sunny, do not overdo it.
Shine brighter. I'll raise it to 30 degrees.
It is too hot. Everyone will be exhausted.
The lighting equipment is melting.
But sunny weather is more fun, right?
Balance is important. I will make it rain.
Air, no rain.
There will be scattered showers in the afternoon.
No, it will be clear skies.
I am getting amazing footage.
Speak to the script.
It is dry, so we need moisture.
The set is getting wet.
This is a blessed rain. Geez, I will dry that up.
Fog is appearing. I can't see anything.
This is a broadcasting disaster.
It is rain's fault.
It is because Sunny heats it up too much.
I will blow it away with wind.
Stop. You will break the set.
Gust warning issued.
Kier, my hair.
My umbrella is turning inside out.
Everyone, calm down.
But the fog has cleared.
However, it is like a storm condition.
The ratings are skyrocketing.
It is not about ratings. It is about trust.
I am sorry, Volt.
I was also too stubborn.
We are still on air. Wrap it up.
All right, let's make a rainbow together.
That is a good idea.
I will provide the light and Rain the droplets.
Understood. I will spray the mist.
I will shape it.
Look, a beautiful rainbow.
Rain, then sun, and then a rainbow.
Not a bad ending.
Today's forecast is changeable.
Please bring both an umbrella and sunglasses.
That's all from the field.
Have a wonderful day.
Cut. Good work.
From here on, it's time for today's review.
Let's review the important words and phrases.
First is forecast. It means weather prediction.
Let's check the forecast.
It means let's check the prediction. Next is scattered showers.
It refers to rain falling here and there, or intermittent rain.
The enemy of picnics.
Next is humidity. It means moisture in the air.
The humidity is high means there is a lot of moisture.
It is the reason why hair does not stay in place.
And clear up. It means to become sunny.
The sky will clear up later.
It means it will be sunny later.
Finally, overdo it.
Gulp.
It means to do too much.
Don't overdo it, Sunny.
Okay, I will be careful. Everyone, don't overdo your English studies. Have fun.
Consistency is power. Well then, see you next time. See ya.